Minister Sri K.T. Rao ji for without his continued support, due to which whatever it is what we saw today, I mean frankly speaking, we never thought of Telangana. And if I can just take it back, before I was just thinking in the morning that how we came to Telangana, how Welspun came here. So it was like a region. What I was trying to tell you, that today the history is repeating itself. This plant was supposed to be in Gujarat, and friends, you will not believe, we have already started the work. And it was persuasion of Mr. KTR that he has persuaded so much, not only to me, at every level, at every member of Welspun, and personally he has spent time with his team, that we could stop our work and shifted the whole thing, and it is like a replica of Welspun Anjar. Today in Chandan Valley, what you see is the starting of the Welspun city, sir. And I am happy to tell you, with not only his hard work, his dedication, the same way his team, led by Mr. Ranjan, led by Mr. Reddy, and local member of parliament, MLC, everybody supported Saras. And when we came here, 16 months back, this is also like a situation you can't believe that we have to put up a plant here. But the way the state government supported us with the land, with the building, with the power, with the water, anything or everything, initially, absolutely, which is the need of any company to start up a new base, you need a lot of support. It's a lot of hand-holding. And without the machinery, without the support, it doesn't work. But I want to tell you here one thing. I've seen Shri K.T. Rao ji at various occasions, in various forums, from World Economic Forum to speaking into the, various industry body. Every time he has such a passion of talking about state, talking about the investment, leading the industry. It reminds me like any CEO of a company, he's leading the state like a CEO of the company, and be after it. And I'm promising you, sir, today that in next couple of years you will see the Telangana, the Chandan Valley will be known for the flooring. And friends, we have promised when we came here 15 months back that we will invest 1500 crore, but I'm happy to inform you that in next 12 months our investment will go more than 2000 crores. I would like to thank once again, sir, for your time, effort, and your support, and your team support. Without this kind of facility is not possible. And I'm telling you from my heart, I mean, we have worked in many of states, but the way I've seen your passion, the way you work, and the way you are, your team, Mr. Ranjan, Mr. Reddy, and anybody, everybody down the line, they have supported this. Otherwise, this facility of this size cannot come up in 12 months, in spite of all the challenges what we have seen in the last, 12 to 15 months. So thank you very much for all your support, sir.